Hello YouTube, welcome to Home and Garden Fix and Tricks. I'm Michael. Alright guys, so this morning, you can see me have some pop chai here. Really green and nice. It's Monday morning. And it's me harvest out. Most of them come out already guys. So we have a few left in there, as you can see. We have some sweet pepper up that side and further up we have some tomato. By the way, I'm at school. So this is a school garden. Yeah, let me go in closely and show you. The students would have planted these. I mean, looking really good. School on the hill, Teacher's going high. Lovely vegetable here. So I'm packaging these out now, and we're going to offer these for sale to the staff at $200 per bag. This is a nice bag, and it's four head of pop chai in there. Yeah, so you know, it just goes to show that it pays to plant, and planting is indeed a good thing, you know, to ensure that you get fresh fruits and vegetables and readily available source of food. You don't have to buy everything. So that is the whole purpose of this video, to encourage, to say to you that, you know, do your own little gardening. Right now food is very expensive, especially after the passing of Hurricane Melissa. Trust me, sky high. So it is good, and that is what I'm trying to pass on to my children as well, and to teach my students at school, that self-sufficiency and self-reliance and sustainability in terms of food security is very, very important. Yeah, fresh, healthy, readily available food. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. It's just a short video to show you what is happening. May God bless you. For Home and Garden Fix and Tricks, I'm Michael. Peace.